Hello and welcome back guys to a basic Flutter material widgets course for beginners level. In this course we will be designing an app using material design widget. In this tutorial we will be working on adjusting our layout and designing a profile screen for our app. First of all, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's remove this icon because we don't want it anymore. It was just for you guys to show you that you can put multiple icons in the bottom app bar, and remove this icon with the padding as well and save. Let's replace the text with material design. Let's select our card, copy and paste one more time to give a dynamic look to our UI. Let's change this icon to home outline and save. Now let's work on our side menu, or you can say a drawer, by removing unwanted icons. Let's create a new screen, a stateful widget with the class name profile. Let's import material dot here. In the profile screen, let's replace container with scaffold. In the main screen, in our drawer, let's add a navigator. For our profile screen, this will have navigator.push context, and the route will be material page route builder context equal to greater than const profile, add a semicolon and save. In the profile screen, let me add some text. Text will be profile page, just to show you guys that our navigator is working, and save. Let's open our drawer and click on the profile. Yes, it's working, but the text is on the top left corner. Let's add a center widget here and save, as you can see. Now let's copy our bottom app bar and paste it in our profile screen in the scaffold and save. Yeah, we got our bottom app bar here. Let's add column to our body children and add a container to our column. The child will be a stack widget. Children, in the children we will have position, child container, decoration, box decoration, image, decoration image, network image. Let me copy and paste the URL here and save. Let's give height to our container 200. Let's add fit box fit.cover property to our network image and const here. Here we will add another position in our stack. Child will be container, decoration, box decoration. Child of the container will have circle avatar, background image, network image. Let's add a URL here and save. As you can see, now we have circle avatar, but it's too small. Let's give width and height to our container to make it bigger. Width 90, height 90 and save. Now add border radius in our decoration. Border radius.all, radius.circular 50. Remove the const and save. Let's add border.all with two colors.white and save. As you can see, now we have our profile with white circular border. Here we want to position our profile picture by giving bottom 5, left 160 or maybe 155. Let's give height to our main container, height 250 and save. As you can see, now we have our desired layout. Let's make it 5. Add a column after our main container and add a text here, Muhammad I, and save. Let's give styling to our text, font size 20, font weight W600. Add a size box here in height 10. Add another text here which is address, text California, text style, font size 15 and save. Let's add a divider const divider indent 0 and indent 0, thickness 0, height 20, colors dot gray, and save. Let's add list style here, leading const text, turn on notification, style text style, font size 16, font weight W400, and trailing will have checkbox, will have value and on chain method. Let's add a ball value for our checkbox. Ball is checked equal to false by default, and add the value to our checkbox is checked. Let's call it in the on chain method. Ball value set state, and the set state is checked equal to value, and save. As you can see, now we have our checkbox working. Let's add a divider here by copy and paste. Let's copy and paste our list style and change its text to male and remove checkbox from our trailing. But first we have to add a value after the checkbox. Singing character question mark underscore character equal to singing character dot Lafayette, or you can use male. Let's add enum for this. Enum singing character, which is Lafayette. I don't know how to pronounce this word, but I am pronouncing it like Lafayette. Now let's add radio in our trailing. Singing character value singing character dot Lafayette group value underscore character on chain singing character question mark value set state, and the set state underscore character equal to value, and save. Let's copy and paste our radio list style one more time and add enum for this as well, which is Jefferson, or you can use female. Change Lafayette to Jefferson and text to female, and save. Basically guys, this was our gender selection. Let's change the Jefferson to female for better understanding and Lafayette to male, and save. Let's add a divider here by copy and paste. Add a column children padding agencies dot all 15.0 and save. Add a child text pricing range and $20 to 100. Add a slider will have value and on chain method. Let's add double value here underscore slider value equal to 20. Now let's add that value in our slider underscore slider value and an on chain method value set state, and the set state underscore slider value equal to value, and save. But it's giving an error. Let's add maximum 0, minimum 100, division 5, and label underscore slider value dot round dot to string, and save. As you can see, now we have our range slider. Let's give it alignment to our column, cross-axis alignment dot start. Let's add a navigator route to our home outline icon. Material page route builder context equal to greater than const flutter beginner, which is our main screen, and save. Let's click in our home icon, and it's working fine guys. Our tutorial ends up here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment, and turn on the notification button to never miss an update.